Hello everyone, my name is Aiman Ashraf Roseli, and today I will be your host in showcasing my interactive multimedia showcase. The first which we will be comparing the Windows OS operating system with Macintosh operating system provided by Apple. We click here. Okay, so Microsoft Windows is a series of operating systems for use on personal computers, business desktops, laptops, tablets, and other computing devices. Windows has a user-friendly interface and has a wide range of useful features. Using Windows, you can access many stuff, such as accessing the web, storing photos and videos, working with documents, and even playing games, one of the most reason why people choose Windows. Microsoft continues to develop and release updates for Windows so that users can get the most out of the devices. Click here and we will be presented with three choices: the tools, the performance, and compatibility of the operating system. We click the tools and we'll be presented with two choices: the video editing and graphic design. So let's click the video editing, which will move us to this section. Windows provide the user with a choice of using either the free editing software Jam, as we can see down here, or the more powerful options such as DaVinci Resolve or even Adobe Premiere Pro, which are used in professional settings due to its more accessibility and efficient GPU usage. We go back and back. Now we click the performance and we click the CPU. Sorry about that. Let me try that again. Now, pressing the CPU. Windows allows a wide range of CPU by a variety of manufacturers. One of those two will be the Intel and AMD, and one of the more prominent core that Intel provide is i7, and for AMD it will be Ryzen 9, which are good for gaming and video and photo editing tasks. Now, going back, I will press GPU. Windows also uses a wide range of powerful GPUs such as RTX 30 series and RX 9000 series. These are examples of GPUs provide a more flexible yet professional level performance needed to run a heavy-duty tasks such as rendering and 3D modeling. Now we go back and we click compatibility. Compatibility might be what Windows is most well known for actually. We click here. So as we can see here, Windows has a wide range of compatibility with other hardware, including unconventional devices, even such as Raspberry Pi, sorry about that, HoloLens, and virtual reality headsets. Now going back, you can also click the customization, and as you can see, from the desktop itself, Windows allows the user to customize a high range of customization and upgradability to the computer hardware itself, even the CPU, GPU, the RAM, all can be replaced, and even your user interface actually. You can even hide the desktop icon if you need. Now we're going back. Now let's see how the competitive window hold up. So the Mac OS or Macintosh is an Apple proprietary operating system for Macintosh computers. It was first released as Mac OS X on March 24, 2001, before being renamed OS X and eventually Mac OS in 2016. Mac OS offers a stable and secure environment, known for its sleek graphical user interface and strong integration with other Apple hardware and services. It enables users to perform everyday tasks efficiently, such as web browsing, multimedia editing, software development, and professional workflows. So as we can see here, there's also three parts we can click here. Let's click Tools, and just like Windows, Mac OS is also known for the video editing and graphic design. So video editing, Macintosh allows for a more seamless integration with the other Apple's devices, such as the free application iMovie and the more premium Final Cut Pro. Using this, you can basically work with Macintosh devices anywhere you need. So graphic design. This is also one of the more prominent features where Macintosh will be chosen over Windows. Affinity, such as using the application Affinity Designer and Graphic, which are highly praised for their optimized performance and compatibility with the high-resolution Retina displays, which means the color correction. Now going back, sorry for that. And next, we go to the performance side of Mac. We click here. Macintosh utilizes the Apple Silicon M series chips M1, M2, M3, and more, which are specifically designed for Apple's hardware, offering enhanced performance and efficiency. We go back and click here. And also, Macintosh also utilizes the same M series chips as part of their GPU as well. This significantly enhances multimedia capabilities by incorporating specialized engines for video encoding or decoding, image processing, and AI tasks. Now we have done comparing the performance, we can now go to the compatibility. So compatibility might not be what Mac is known for outside of its own devices, since it's only compatible with other Apple hardware such as MacBooks, iMacs, Mac Minis, and Mac Pros. Going back, you can also click for customization, and as it was revealed, Macintosh restricts the user to a more streamlined and less customizable experience. This is all due to the focus on ease of use rather than anything else. Now we have done comparing the two. It's easy to see that two of the operating systems have their own benefits, and so now we're going to move to the RAM and storage devices next. RAM. What is RAM? Random access memory. It refers to a computer's or laptop's short-term memory. It's a temporary memory bank where your computer stores data and it needs to be retrieved quickly. RAM keeps data easily accessible so the processor can quickly find it without having to go into long-term storage to complete immediate processing tasks. One of the two most prominent RAM sticks out there in the market right now has to be DDR4 and DDR5. Now, why are we comparing to storage devices? Well, just like RAM, storage devices store the information, but storage devices are essential component parts of your parts. It gives space for computers to store and retrieve digital information. And also there are multiple types of storage devices out there in the market right now, with varying degrees of efficiency, loading speed, and overall system performance, such as hard drive disks, or HDD, and solid-state drives, or SSD. Now we've done comparing the two, we can now move to the conclusion. So, in conclusion, Mac OS and Windows both offer their respective strengths. Windows, with its broad compatibility and flexible nature, becomes the dominating competitor, while Mac OS, with its reputation for intuitive integration and simplicity, is the preferred choice for creative professionals. Storage-wise, SSDs surpass HDDs when it comes to reliability and speed, but HDDs are cheaper. And so from what we learned so far, even in multimedia, in this multimedia showcase, text also plays a crucial role in transmitting information, providing context, as well as to improve the user experience in general, hence becoming a fundamental element of effective communication. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening.